Hi outdoor adventurers, tired of complicated roof tent setups that take forever? Today, we're taking you straight to the factory to show you exactly how to install a rooftop tent, quick, easy, and stress-free. Let us dive in. Step 1. Position the roof tent on crossbars. Lift the tent with your helper and place it centered on your roof rack crossbars. Step 3. Secure the tent with hardware. Take the included bolts and washers. First, place the bolts into the washers. Put the washers into the bottom rails. Adjust the angle to ensure that the tent remains balanced. Use the socket wrench to fasten the brackets to the crossbars. That's it. You just learned how to install a rooftop tent in under 10 minutes. Once you have the tools ready, if you found this factory demo helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions about the installation or the tent. We'll reply to every comment. Ready to upgrade your camping setup? Happy camping, and we'll see you in the next video.